Howdy there, folks. The Collector 6819 coming back at you with another break. This time it's the 2013 Allen Ginter Baseball. So I'm gonna open this up, and I'm gonna probably do 3 breaks, or bust it into 3 breaks here. 8 packs of break, just so that the videos don't go long on time here. Got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And our large card. Okay. So we'll do our large card first, see what we get. And it is the Wonders of the World Victoria I'm really hoping that I get a rookie. So we've got one Encarnacion, Civilizations of Ages Past, Bill Buckner, Minnie, and Dave Rutledge. Scott McCann, please. Byron McCann, Ross, Cody Ross, Vargas, we have Jason Vargas, Scott Palmer, or Jim Palmer, sorry, Adam Dunn, Cozart, we have Zach Cozart, David Price, Minnie, and Lou Berry. That was across the years. So far, both the across the years cards I've gotten have been Yankees guys. So we've got Warren Spahn, Andre Ethier, let's see, Aladis Escobar, Dwight Gooden, Roy Halladay, our little corner, Neptune, Heavy Hangs in the Head, I believe this is, King Henry VIII, Chen, Orioles, Wei Yin Chen. Okay, AJ Przinsky, Yu Darvish, Desmond Jennings, John Jay, I believe it's Brett Lowry, Calipari, John Calipari. We have a mini of Whitey Ford and a Sandy Koufax across the years. 2 packs left in part 1 of our break. We have a Cabrera. That's Adrusbal. I'm sorry if I mispronounced his name. This looks like Aaron Hill. Eaton, whose first name is Adam. Billy Williams, I believe. Yep. Cueto, Johnny Cueto. A Marshall Mastery Samurai. Black bordered A.J. Ellis mini. And a Marco Scudero Giants card. We have Garrett Jones, Matt Cain, a Beckett, I'm guessing that's Josh Beckett, another Sandy Koufax. Wow, this is pretty cool. An Allen Ginter, this looks like the silk Sandy Koufax, numbered 1 of 10. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's numbered 1 of 10. I think that's pretty darn cool. They happen to be Koufax. It's awesome. We have a Chris Davis mini and a Jesus Montero across the years. Of course, I jinxed myself when I said that all the way across the years have been Yankees so far, so I think I jinxed myself there. But our big hit here is the silk card of the card of the Koufax number 9. I think that's pretty darn cool. Couldn't ask for so much. Couldn't ask for